Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to contact Vistaprint. All right, so first up, you gotta log into your Vistaprint account. And once you're in here, as you can see on your dashboard at the top, you can just go ahead and click on Help Us Here. Okay, just click on it. And once done, before contacting support, you can go ahead and use their FAQs right here. Just go ahead and scroll down. Okay, you have popular questions like, can I change my order? What are your shipping speeds? Can I cancel? Where's my order? Or if you have any questions about your Vistaprint account, you can go ahead and click on this link. Okay. Now, if these answers right here doesn't help, all right, or doesn't help fix the issue, you can go ahead and scroll down right here and go ahead and click on request a callback. If you want the fastest help, or if you don't feel like talking, you can go ahead and click on live chat and email. Okay. It says here phone Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And here are the times that they are available. So when you go ahead and click on request a callback right here, you'll just need to fill out a call request. And then Vistaprint support will just call you back in a minute, as they stated here. And that is it. You can just go ahead and easily click on one of these options. And once done, support will just get back to you. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.